Hey, good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon. Anyways, I wanted to make this YouTube video, and I wanted to tell you guys about my thoughts about how I feel like lawmakers have been in this state of where I'm living, and I want to talk more about my experience dealing with the healthcare system in the state of Mississippi, and then I'm going to talk more about like my experiences dealing with other healthcare systems. Okay, so I went to San Diego, California. I think it was about a couple of years ago. It really don't matter what it is, but I'm giving you an example, and then I look at the healthcare system and the different things that I've seen here in the state of Mississippi, which I feel like the state of Mississippi is crap. It's like shit dealing with healthcare providers, and me being a caregiver, I've seen quite a bit, and realizing that people who are working in hospitals, especially nurses, because I've seen a lot of YouTube videos talk about this, and how nurses, they don't get paid as much to do what they do, and the turnover rate is even crazier. So nurses in the state of Mississippi, obviously, they don't get paid that much. Um, I'm a caregiver, and I only get paid $11 an hour. And then I'm pretty sure CNAs here are probably even worse. Because I've heard my friends tell me about how one of my friends years ago, he had told me he was dating somebody, and she was in CNA, or she was working in the hospital delivering babies, and she had to find another job. And also because the salary rate in the state of Mississippi is not that great. Neither it is in Louisiana, unless you own your own practice. And my best friend years ago was a licensed psychologist, but she still did not make enough. And it was because she was working for the government state funded programs. Now, like I was saying, in the state of Mississippi, the healthcare system it sucks. When you look at the statistics of mental health in other states, it's a lot better. I'm not saying the mental health is run by great people, because unfortunately a lot of our lawmakers, especially, I was watching yesterday, and it was talking about how our lawmakers are making horrible decisions. And I was reading an article talking about Donald Trump and how he had put up a border, and and how he was trying to make sure the border, was built so that the people who were illegal immigrants didn't come over here. But anyways, going back to my story, I just wanted to really talk a little bit about that part, because it's unfortunate they had a shooting going around, and it killed, an innocent boy's life. But when I was really looking and seeing how the mental health ran over here, it's just mind blowing to me, because I'm seeing people who are literally dying, and our lawmakers that have been, they talk about the bipartisans and laws and all that kind of stuff, but like, Department of Mental Health has been not that great over here, and the journey has changed so much. So when I see so many people getting discouraged because they're going into different facilities get treatment, there's not enough, funds for people to be able to be put in a good hospital environment where patients are literally, just running around and trying to figure out how to deal with, the medical staff. It's crazy. I mean, I'm taking up a healthcare class right now, ethics and law, and I'm hearing like stories about people neglecting and abusing, and this I was listening on to what this YouTube video had said today, where this girl, she was, it looked like she was on bed rest, and she was, I'm pretty sure she had mental health issues and things like that. But those top stories and the controversial stories, it just makes you wonder. Like, I know, like over here, like I said, state hospital running and people just not making, when the state is poor, they're going to have issues dealing with, you know, getting hospitals to build different facilities, and I really hated to hear that. And of course, in other states like California and New York and other areas, you're not hearing that so much as more as like as far as people who are you know getting discriminated because they have a disability, or they're dealing with some type of health issue that they really can't figure out how to get treatment and things like that. So I really wanted to make this video so that people can understand that when we're constantly dealing with stuff and it's triggering, because it's triggering a lot of people. It triggered my family, I'm pretty sure. But I mean, if your family has dealt with anything that is, unprofessional, unethical, and it is, speak your mind, advocate for yourself, do whatever you can so that you don't have to go through that distress, because you're the only person that knows that distress. Not anybody can speak their damn mind, but if you're not able to really get the help that you need and you get discouraged because people really aren't going to advocate for you, then you really need to take a look and do your research and see what really is out there, especially when it comes down to your mental health. I cannot stress that enough when I hear so many people talking about it and not really doing any damn thing about it. But, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make a pretty good video out there for people. I hope everybody has a great day now. Until then, have a good one.